multiply with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Table 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. Thank you, and may God bless you.